What is going on, everybody? As you can tell by the thumbnail, today, guys, we're doing the spark plugs in my 392 Charger Scat pack, guys. So, real quick, let's go over the tools you're going to need to complete this job, guys. Right. Walk over here. I kind of have everything laid out real quick here, guys. So, you're going to need your sockets. I have a wrench. I have a gap tool, which is for my first time using. Luckily, I have connections with friends. My magnet. My sockets for the spark plugs. Actually, look inside here. This is designed for a spark plug. Unfortunately, this one's too big. Luckily enough, I have this guy, the 5/8. I have my nickel antifreeze for the spark plug. If I'm pronouncing this correct, my Dilect grease. By the way, I don't know what the hell I'm doing. So, this video just goes to show if I could do it, anybody could do it. I do recommend if you have friends that are mechanics or very mechanically inclined, you have them help you out, or at least have them on speed dial, if you will, like I do. I also happen to live with a mechanic, which is why there is this crazy tool set up here, because I am not qualified for something as crazy a setup as this. So, as you can see here, I already kind of started. I wanted to get a head start to make sure I don't look too much like an idiot. You can see here the bad one. So yeah, and this is the new one. So I should actually gain some power back. You're going to need 16 if you have a 392 or any Hemi for that fact. 2 per cylinder. Actually, what makes it a Hemi, so lucky me. I went with the Champion versus the NGK or the Mopar because it was a much cheaper option, and from my research, they're just as good. You can spend a lot of money actually doing this. So, also real quick, what I did do, come over here real quick, I decided the valve covers are off. I decided to take my airbox Mopar intake off. I'm cleaning it, taking the opportunity to clean it, so I actually can get access to some of this stuff. These are in tight areas. If anyone's concerned about this oil dipstick, it's actually not that bad. You just, when you unscrew the bolts here, you kind of just lift in an upwards motion, and it comes right out. So let's go ahead and let's take these guys out real quick, shall we? So you can see here, I'm starting with this guy. It gives me a little more leverage, a little more torque to kind of get these guys loosened up, because you can tell by the other one that I got out, it is, they're in there. So let's go ahead and get this out. Once they're pretty loose, I come in with this guy and take care of the rest. Use a magnet and get it out. She's still a little in there. I think with my tool, though, it should actually just grab it out anyway, so I shouldn't really need the magnet, but it's nice to have. There we go. Man, these things are filthy. I definitely think I'm going to gain some power back. I'm real excited to get this done. As I mentioned as well, guys, I removed the air filter box, but I don't think you need to do much more. As I get into it, I'll let you guys know. I'll keep you updated. But the the air intake, the cold air intake is really easy. You just need a flathead screwdriver to loosen up one of the V-bands. That's even what it's called. And it pops right out. It's not like I have to take the whole damn thing out. And like I said, I'm cleaning it. Why it's out, so it's pretty filthy as well. So let's get going. Alright guys, so let's actually get to the spark plug itself. We're going to use, like I said, the anti-seize. Try not to get it actually where the spark is, right there. So I kind of go almost halfway. Over there. And I kind of just, personally, I spread it across is what I do. And like I said, just be careful, make sure to get it nowhere near where actually spark happens, right there. So let's go ahead and take this over and get it in. Like this, in there. Let's get the other one done real quick. Alright, they're pretty tight by hand. Then we grab the dielectric grease and just put a little bit right into the coil pack on the nostrils here. Go. And then, just like so, put in there. And we gotta screw it in. Quick here. Up a little bit more. Alright. Pretty nice and snug. So, just 7 more cylinders, 14 more spark plugs to go, guys. So, let's go ahead and that's how you do the one. I'll go ahead and wrap up the rest. I'll let you know if I run into any other issues I want to note. But let's go ahead and speed this process up for you guys so we get to the end. See how much better this car drives. And done. Oh God, I hope this thing fires up. Let's find out.